From Birmingham, Alabama, Roll Tide. I've been backpacking since about sophomore year of college, so about 5 years now.
The PACAYA trip is about an hour to hour and a half of hiking. It's not an extremely strenuous hike. It's a nice entry-level volcano where you can take the whole family. If anything, this is the perfect hike to take them on. You know, it's a great way to introduce them into backpacking that can ultimately change their life and their perception on what is adventure, really.
Also, if you see the white part at the bottom of the hill, yeah, those are volcanic veins. And on this side, the small trees you see here with the white part, those are avocado trees. One and two.
For me, the biggest thing when I'm hiking in the backcountry is solitude. Be able to hear all the birds chirping and listen to the wind in the trees, and that's what you find on PACAYA. You're in solitude. It's peaceful. It's in the front country, but it feels like it's far away from everything.
Drop your backpacks, and then we want to go ahead and start unloading so we can get camp set up.
Oh, this is camp.
This is camp.
Oh, wow.
So when you book a tour with Ox, what we provide is a professional bilingual guide, professional equipment, home-cooked meal, red wine, and a nice breakfast.
Go ahead and change into a jacket. We're going to go up to the ridge for sunset.
The overnight trip is certainly the way to go if you want to see the sunset. You get a once-in-a-lifetime view that's different for everybody, every single time. You'll definitely get quality service and you'll have the time of your life.
This table over here, this is where we can have dinner.
You see PACAYA erupting, something you can't necessarily see in the daytime. And it's pretty cool to be camping on an active volcano. PACAYA is certainly one of the best views in all of Guatemala and perhaps even Central America. You get the view of Agua, Volcan Fuego, Acatlando. For as much hiking as I've done, that is one of the most gorgeous views I've ever seen. It's just ever changing.
Damn, that looks cool.
Can't compete with that. It's just spectacular. It's definitely still an adventure.